The program still work out, the program Good Morning from Benin, they reach it from independent television. For time we say we don't when we see, time we not see, when we see some people, they come out, we not go agree, we not go agree BT, they talk. As it been as it's 11 months, they never give us salary. We not go agree, we not go agree all of the entire side town. Every government house and reach everywhere. Who be these people? Now the lecturers for the College of Education for Ekiadolo, when we say just to change the name to Taya Akpata University, we can't go here say just to change the name again now to Federal University of Federal, we'll call the name. Federal College of Tech, Federal College of Teaching.
Education.
Okay, Federal College of Education. Now, no verse. Because you say when the person don't get many names, you know the kind of name when you won't call them again. Because this one, I can't go and go ask some people. They talk to us about this matter when it be say concern the Federal College of Education, Ekiadolo, Taya Akpata University. They talk to us. We go out. We go on. Two people come. We get our friend and brother here, Lawrence Ogbomo. Welcome to our program.
Thank you, sir.
I greet you. I will get our friend and brother here, Chris. Alaska, hi. Welcome to our program. Anytime I call that video, I always laugh.
Thank you very much.
So we're going to look this matter together. I want to ask you, because you're a lecturer for inside Colburn, Lawrence Ogbomo, why you not going to come and say, we no go agree, now say it must be today?
The matter simple. Na 11 months salary, we government the whole us. Not because come out.
Okay.
And you know that before somebody come out like this, you don't first follow all the procedure what you need to follow. When result not come, not because come out.
Okay. The result of voting?
This is the money.
Okay.
You know when you dey work and you know nobody the money you not get at the end of the month, you go come back and say give me now. Okay. You will make your request. You will follow all the necessary channel before we can reach where we dey so. Okay,
may I make you take out from there, Chris? I remember at the time you come and write something. You say the thing not correct. What it be say they talk and everything. Person not get right to ask for the money when they owe, especially for 11 months. So you go feel work for 11 months, they not pay you. May I put it like that?
Nobody if you work for even 1 month, they not pay, and we're go happy.
Okay.
But the question I want to ask my brother will say, where you work for those 11 months where they ask for salary? So
okay.
All of us for those states to say Taya Akpata University, now Federal College of Education, has been shut down for the last 4 years. Okay. So where you work?
Okay.
Where you work, which work you do? Where we say, like the talk of Bible say, laborer deserves the wages. Okay. Where you work, which work you do for that 11 months? And it not be simple question like that or simple answer like that. But make we also know, say, this government need to owe any sector, any worker where they work under those state government, even pensioners, the arrears for the past how many years cleared, over 25 billion cleared. So now the priority of this government and our party PDP take it very seriously to make sure say when workers work their money correct. Okay. If government don't pay everybody, why be saying that only this group of people now can talk say government they owe them for 11 months. So now there we take get disagreement.
Okay, make I get this thing clear. You said you close the place for 4 years now. If they close, I mean say they don't pay the 4 years, pay. They don't pay 3 years and 1 month. The remaining 11 months, I'm not going to pay. I won't find out.
Now that's why you go ask my brother.
No.
So,
Yes,
I will tell you, say, all of us know say that school has been closed down since at least 4 years. Now, if the court talk say that they owed them for 11 months, now which work they do for that 11 months, where did they owe them put? That is the question.
The way I tell you, this school they closed for the past 4 months. So which one you
may I answer that question?
Okay.
The question we ask which work we do for the last 4 years, not be the answer.
No. Say for the last 11 months.
The last 11 months.
They don't pay.
Okay. May I go back? I will go back memory lane. As at 2014, then the past bill where they bring change that to College of University of Education. The first change that to Edo State University of Education.
Okay.
Before they can change that later to Taya Akpata University of Education in Ekiadolo. Then, but 2016, we get a letter from the then Commissioner for Education. Saying we will stop admission.
Okay.
So that say the university will come for that September 2016. So by that 2016. We will not admit new students, but we still get old students, we still they go on.
Okay.
That's it 2016, this our amiable governor come. And that's it 2016, now our play be the first way we even visit.
Okay.
We raised the issue with him. And he tell us, say, the world-class university they come. He show us the blueprint for the university. He said by that year don't go, by the following year, university will come. And you know, if we know how for 2016, we still get the other people where they go.
Yeah.
You know what they go as?
Those who graduate.
Those one day. Those one day from that year till 2017. Those one graduate 2018. And everybody where they go school knows when students graduate, when they get what we call spillovers.
Okay,
And when we carry over, so we never papers.
Okay.
We conduct exam. And if not for this COVID-19, we will see the plan first semester exam for this April. Okay. Before COVID-19 can shut everybody down. For somebody to say we not work,
no, people, that transition, that place when BC did it, by this time, they don't turn and say, make una no admit.
No, no admit.
I come to that. At 2018, when you turn on, the last set of students suppose don't come out. But go employ new.
No, as the students wey come school for that 3 years program, they get contract, they get 5 years to take graduate. They give room for spillover because na credit system. You go get the required credit before they say you graduate.
Okay.
If you not get that, you come back the next year. They call them spillovers. So we think get spillover.
All these spillovers and the rest. I mean, don't carry and go put for government table. Say, see what thing they happen when make and when blessing until they work for 11 months without no salary.
The way that go come, I go answer those.
So
ones.
if it's like we know if we get time.
Every year, the governor they promise us say the new one will start for September. 2017, we meet up for your office. He tells you by September, the new university will start. 2018, they'll say September. 2019, September. This year, the story can't change. It can't be say you want to go federal college of education technical. So federal college of education will start for October. That will be the new story for this year.
Okay.
And all these ones, when we talk, so now what you can make a bill like this? I think, like I told you, answer down, we still dey work because we still get students.
Why una will continue to dey work when government say make una no work?
No. Government not say make we no work. They say make we no admit students.
Okay.
Now two things.
Okay, there's a difference between admission now.
If you say make somebody no work, you give a letter.
Okay.
Say we not need your service again.
Okay, they take give now a letter to employer now.
Tell employer.
Okay.
Nobody don't tell us.
Make I ask you for Chris.
May I just say one thing?
Okay.
The governor always they talk and say nobody for a $1 will lose his job.
Okay.
Say he not sack anybody.
Come on, no play while you're here. You say make you say one thing now. You know, the governor can't say nobody. We're going to say don't pass one thing when you talk. And
that's the same thing.
We'll come to you, Chris. You see the way the man analyze them now. See, they get spillover. You and I know, say we go university, go this. Maybe now we no go because not speak English. You understand? When we go, if you reach a point, if you get carried over, you go do. You can't defend your project. You can't do all of those kind of things. After that first academic session is supposed the year or the years are supposed to do there. Then you can't do that one. You can't do carry over. You can't defend your project. You can't do some other things. Then you can't do clearance and the rest. Before you can't finally leave. People are not supposed to do all of this ones now.
You see, I don't know the time frame. You know, work for me. The time frame where Oga described just now. In 2014, now they established Tayo Apata University.
Now they call that name.
Now they call that name. Now the law they established that university.
Okay.
For that year, all of us there are aware say the court talk say make they not admit students again in 2014.
Okay.
Okay, even just 2014, that was the year. Now, course of 3 years. Today now 2020. That's 6 years. Even if that the year one, because year one, assume say year one enter in 2014, the last admission supposed to take place in 2014.
2000. No, if you enter 2000 now, okay.
The last admission. Now, if those people want to take 5 years, like my brother talked just now,
2019.
So to end 2019. Now we did 2020. You see, all these things now matter of. While this matter they go on, governor they promise say they not go lose work. Government say they not go lose work. Government start to build fresh college of education for Abudu and for other senatorial districts. That I'm sure you are aware that is completed. One of the most infrastructurally gifted college of education in the country. We're there for Abudu right now. Government also tell our people say money not there now take complete this university where we plan for Ekadolo, we know the economic downturn across the world. So make una move, come Abudu, our people no agree move. Before then, this government inherit over 4 billion debts from the previous
debts.
Yes, from the previous government for salary. No be so. This government clear all, finish. Okay, no be so.
No, just carry on.
This government, yeah, I immediately tell you the figure because before I come here, a researcher.
Okay.
They were owing them huge sums from the Adasociole government, where the government clear. When that figure don't declare finish, that means government don't zero the account. Now at that point, government at that point they say, okay, no admission. Move your services either to the state government or come Abudu. Go start to take in students.
They no agree go.
They no agree go.
Okay, so because they no agree go, now government comes.
No, see, because they no agree go. Government not see salary. If government
so
see salary, if government
no come pay them after they no stop their appointment when
wetin we go ask our brother now be say wetin be the wage bill where they bring come now. You see, it say students day where they do spillover. They also reach agreement with government say they go use some internally generated revenue both for those students. Because if those students they do spillover, then they pay school fees. Not be so.
Yeah.
They pay school fees.
They say they go use that money because government are listening government, compassionate government. They use that money, take the offset their salaries and all those kind of things. Government will say, okay, if we now whatever we raise for there, we go ask more journal to take level to take clear the bill, and the bill was cleared. Both the inherited debt areas all cleared. Now, if school were they close in 2014, come they talk in 2020, say
close in 2014.
Say in 2020, say that they owe us 11 months, like you asked me. So that means that they pay them. Since government did not want to send them off like that, government they pay.
Okay, you get the allegations when you raise now. Because, okay, you want to react to something?
I want to react to some allegations where you raise now.
Okay.
I don't give my time, but you still give me time.
I know your time.
First, they passed the law for June 2014. Implementation of that law not start that year.
Okay.
That year we still admit new students. 2015 we admit new students. Now 2016, now the letter to stop admission of students now it come.
Okay.
You know the government no establish the work without you not bring paper.
Yeah.
You know if they come and say stop admission they go stop. No, you will bring paper.
Okay, so
you bring document at 2016.
Now they bring documents.
Now they bring document we will stop admission, not be 2014.
Okay.
My brother.
Okay.
That one and that one. Then the other one where they talk say they say we go Abudu. We will go there, we will not go. Make we ask our brother whether they bring any letter. Go to this side, we will not go. Or good one. Nobody. Now in March, now we dey hear that for here.
Okay.
Say they say we will go Abudu. Abudu are part of our campus.
Okay.
Now that will not be NC primary. Abudu to Ekadolo now say can one be to Bo. That's what Abudu be. Now we dey operate the Abudu. Even some of what they lecture for Ekadolo, you still take some courses for Abudu. Abudu then our own campus.
Okay.
So when they say stay Abudu, say we go Abudu. We now we dey Abudu. Anybody dey where dey Abudu. Even the law wey governor say e dey. Even the last way that Saturday wey governor come Ekadolo, wey they come inspect everywhere. He said the law for the multi-campus e still dey with National Assembly. I mean the state House of Assembly. The state of Assembly never even work on am. You go even implement wetin they never even work on. Tell you the one pastor, they say e still dey there. So for somebody say, okay, there's someone that go ministry will not go. Nobody don't discuss that.
You know, don't get a letter to that effect.
No, actually, government get power to transfer anybody to where you want to transfer.
Okay, no, don't get a letter to that
no
effect.
Letter, no even discussion to that effect. Nobody don't tell us say, Mona go Igwebe, or Mona go Abudu, or Mona go this place.
The allegations what would they hear now? They say, Una refuse to go because now they say they don't bring federal university. Now one come, now one come become, now one move from state government. When I observe and say it to federal.
No,
and
even time when we talk now. No, let me. You take your time. Talk your. May I talk now? Finish. You use your time. No, you talk now. No time.
Let me quarrel.
We not be quarrel. Now my very good friend. Not as I say size we get. Now size we dey. Now unless you don't want to give me my money, now they make how they defend it. All this one so.
Okay.
Now the thing with them is say, if government say, "Na me employ you," you just as you dey here now. If the management say, "Sado, go dey work for na glass house you wan dey now. You go tell your mind say you no go. And when you do that, they go still give you paper. You no dey transfer anybody without you no give am paper.
Okay.
You no dey transfer anybody without no circular nothing. Government no dey work for head. Government no dey work for head. At times when they come dey talk the thing, you come dey get as e dey be.
No, say I think that's something that you want because this one I first talk.
Before.
So I think
for the Federal College of Education, you see, government will meet federal government because when we realize
state government go meet federal government.
Yes, when we realize state government realize say money not dey like that to convert that place finish to university. And apart from that, we already get 2 state universities for Edo plus 7 other private universities. So universities boku, nearly too much for education, but university boku. But emphasis not there some areas like this Federal College of Education technical where you talked just now. When the state government see that kind of opportunity, they approach federal government. Federal government can't give Edo State the one for South.
Okay. But we understand. But
that level, workers where they College of Education, I sure say the state government to give them advantage so that when they want employ for that Federal College of Education, when they want kick off, some of our workers for College of Education in Kedolo, they can't promote them to take their par at level of federal for admission purpose to work for there. Do you understand?
Okay.
Those place so that when their work starts, some of them will get priority employment. Don't also forget some of our lecturers what we get for Kadolo, even if to say that place become university, their employment go there as it be because not be all of them qualified to lecture as university lecturers if we follow the NUC guidelines. Now, so there's some of all these things where they go for background where we need
but the question I want to ask now, the question I want to ask, I know say I don't say you don't show me say you be a real classroom teacher and there's that make I say go raise your hand up say
I dey raise my hand. I dey raise my hand. No, when person want talk, if they go now live program with this so the entire Edo State and beyond they listening to us. No, would they talking the way it be?
Okay.
That make me, you know, I can't look here when they talk that thing just now. You see, as far that they come promotion, maybe they come reach a level. College of Education and College of Education. Whether na federal or state, na national certificate of education, all of all the issue. Wait, let me tell you.
But some people were promoted to be at a level.
Which level? Ask her. Now, let me tell you something.
Brother, listen.
Let me tell you.
Listen, minimum qualification to enter
Gentlemen,
not be the same way.
What will be different?
Wait first. I'm going to do like this. I want to find out from you. Make a the question when they answer. 11 months, people day. You see make them move. You no give them letter of transfer or letter of deployment. Then you no sack them and all of that. You know, if you say that kind of place go still believe or still get legally saying a staff of that place. And as it be staff of that place, don't you think the person deserve to be people? Because I want to quote you talk for Bible just and say liberal deserve.
Yes, and that the philosophy where this government did work. So the liberal deserves his wages. But you see, the frustration where some gang, I don't use the word gang, where some lecturers they frustrate.
They get cabal.
They get cabal.
They get cartel.
Exactly.
Get for federal level.
Exactly. Where they affect the kickoff or start off or Tayo Akpata. Now that's the cabal. Now they try to also frustrate this Federal College of Education where they come now. Now that's the cabal. Now they say as election they come now. They also say that the best time to take blackmail government.
Okay.
But the truth of the matter they say, tell me how much government they owe. Come account for how this money, 1.something billion where they talk say government they owe for salary.
But if when the head of service go that place, Anthony Okungba, he said, they know what they go start they pay. They say they go pay them 1 month or so. They say go pay. Now they say they don't want 1 month. They go. So if they are not owing, why would the head of service say they were going to pay?
Exactly. See, when I call this government, it's not a compassionate government.
Okay, if we want to pay on compassionate ground.
Yes, because first and foremost, first and foremost, if you say government they owe you for establishment where you never work, all of us know never work. All of us also know say a lot of these lecturers they are engaged elsewhere and make money. So and everyone make that other place work, because if where the day before come
But
back to work,
somebody when no work, they're supposed to sack them.
no, not supposed to sack. You see, not supposed to sack. The aim of this government is to keep as many people employed at all times.
Yeah.
But at the same time, when you are employed, there must be efficiency, there must be productivity.
Okay.
If you are not productive, you are not doing anything, then you expect government to take money from those that are productive, those that are working, from taxpayers. Because
Come and pay you.
if you dey work, the government will owe you. For this new government where we get, old government maybe, but this government,
So government are continuous now.
exactly. That is why I clear all the things where they
When
owe
we
them.
come in.
Exactly.
So, but I ask you now, you say you not get people there. What will be the student number? What will be the numerical strength of students for that place?
Before I
now?
go there.
No. May you answer before I forget the question. What will be the numerical strength of
The
students?
numerical strength of the student we did there, first we go get an approval and code management staff.
So you yeah, I said this.
I go know the people where I did from my own
So
department.
you don't know the people.
I don't
that
even know
want
the
BCSA
total for the entire school.
for the school. You don't
No,
know.
I don't get the figure for the entire
Okay,
school.
for your own department. Now
From my own department, as we
Department
dey
of,
speak, na mathematics I dey.
Okay.
For my own department now, we still get 120 students who never graduate.
Okay.
For my own department now, no. I don't know wetin dey happen. I don't fit get the figure for the entire school.
But
before you go, sir.
wisdom fit direct us to talk say yes, since e be say things no be, and this altercation don dey dey, this misunderstanding don dey dey between una and government, and government talk for mouth say make una move, they no bring paper. You no fit say for dey right say campus should be moved to that side, make everybody dey there, make they do it, because some people still dey that side too.
No, if you wan move go Abuja today, we ready o. If you say okay, mona go Abuja,
And then later on they
mona
wait for-
start, we ready.
And then later on they wait for.
Like you make they never even tell us say na letter. Na that one television we dey hear am o. Are you understand? Nobody don even come out say you tell us say you put am when head of service come. You know say we go move go Abuja. Na the amount we come dey hear that one. Now wetin dey talk now? The pensioner wey those one wey dey tap for our school, they dey among them, they still dey hold the level also. Our pensioners have not been paid. I think you know that one too.
Yeah, your pensioners are not be paid.
You know
If
say
they
that.
go through biometrics.
Wait. Our pensioners.
The payment of pensioners, because we know there was a time when we say pensioners for street, and when they protest, yes, they never pay them and all of that. That one yesterday matter.
Let me throw some light on that one.
We know they see all those kind of things now.
Let me
And
throw
there is
some
so-
light on that one. Maybe my brother no
The pension
understand.
themselves.
No. Pensioners wey pension for all the tertiary institution, they still dey tie them to the institution. Now as they get their salary, na those pensioners dey get their own pension. Those one wey finish for AAU na so e still be. If you go all the other tertiary institution, their pensioners no dey the central. They dey with their own institution. The pensioner from my school wey don pension right from the beginning, na so they pay us our salary, na those dey still dey pay their own pension. If our salary no come, their pension too no go come.
But it go dey very funny say you come here and you come talk about College of Education for a Kiadolo and the rest. So you don't know the strength of the students. They because if they come this kind of a thing, when you say you want to push your case, you're supposed to know the people that want to say they work with you and the rest.
The thing wey dey be say, I know if you say you ask me figure, well the student, maybe I for go ask the management.
Okay.
Na management issue be that one.
Okay.
We na union.
Okay.
For na lecturer I be.
Okay.
No my responsibility to go say na this one let be the student wey dey the entire school.
Okay.
Or na this one let the school dey generate or not dey generate. That no be my
Talking
responsibility.
about generation, he tell us just now say, but there is an agreement say now go be some level of money come, government go bring you now, or will bring you come. If I don't make mistake, like 70-30.
No, 65, 35.
65, 35.
Now-
Government go bring 65, the school go bring 35%. When was the last time una make una own contribution of that 35% to government? Last month? Maybe I remind you.
No,
in case you forget, because you say you don't know this thing.
No, before you go there, we will tell you the origin of the 65, 35.
No, we know the origin.
Okay, that one day.
Right.
When the governor come for 2016, we raise that issue. So as you say, we would not admit. The management will not be able to meet the 35, 65 average.
Okay.
And the governor promised that I will clear the mess. I quote the governor.
Okay.
Did you not clear the mess?
No, he has not cleared it. If he has cleared the mess will not be like this.
Yeah, in 2016, someone is
2016.
You are claiming
That
owing
if you-
11,
hello, I live here, you talk.
owing 11 months now. 2016 to now is 4 years.
Wait, listen now.
Not 11 months.
I leave you you talk, so you let me talk.
No, now mathematics when you say you be the lecturer of, now you they try to sit there to us.
No,
Because 2014.
No, he told us that. He said
that this time.
by that 2016 when he talked, he said we'll clear the mess. When we meet him again for 2017, he said, I know that it is the government that said should not admit. Government will be sending 100%. He told us that.
Okay,
the governor promised us that.
And he did not.
He did not.
Okay.
No,
He promised now. Wait. He promised now that one on I believe.
We believe him.
When you tell you now for mass, some can move. Now don't believe I'm going to move.
He write am.
Now,
As a letter to that.
Wait. As he talk with the man.
No, because no more they look and where.
Wait, look
he
at
talk for mouth.
Look at now.
Now, Mr. Agboma, wait. He talk for mouth now. Hold on to that. Then he talk for mouth against make una move or that kind of thing. Say no go pay on again. Now so no get letter. Why did the two people ask for letter? That was time they given.
Not tell us make we move. He never tell us make we move. Okay. Like I said before. Now he press release. Now we come to hear movement.
Okay.
Even no commissioner don't tell us make we move.
Okay.
If you still look when this protest start, commissioner even don't or say there's make we move, we not move. Okay. Nobody don't tell us make we move, we will not move. And that always say governor say he will bring 100%. He never fulfill 100%.
Abba,
Let me explain now. You will say how the time like country dey be like this. When the 65% go come, the school go hold am. That one of you pay salary. When the other one come, they still hold am. So they come look at we do, they still look the one we go till they pay. If like the one we come with the whole one.
If you don't bring the 100, they bring 65, they come.
65 they come. Now when they reach March,
65 not reach to take pay salary.
You not reach. When they even reach March, they pay 65 till March. When they reach April, 65 not even come again. Okay. Now first start the first one before head of service come. Head of service say okay. The 265 April and May they go send that come. Now we say that one not be the waiting that they promised us before now. Now they assure us say like I said before, I think we don't pass the process. Now they assure us say okay, all the memo we write it governor table. Once they tell governor see all the thing, the financial application, everything will be settled. You know, by now.
If we continue, like, we blast you the day for one place and everything. I know say for you as a lecturer, like to explain where the student go understand. What would the round up now because time not be our friend now? Are you saying Chris Harry as somebody when we say write letter the other time when we say you get grip of the situation for College of Education, the care the law, or the federal
College of Education.
Federal College of Education. Are we saying the state government is not owing the lecturers?
That is, it's as clear as daylight.
Okay.
May I talk on? Governor coming, clear backlog. Clear backlog. Now, we've got to talk
after clear backlog, you know the owner again.
You don't even talk, say you owe them again. School has been shut down. Okay. No admission of students. Even those where they claim now say they do spillover. For your own department alone, it still said 120 people still they do spillover. Can this be accounted for? We have to be, see, this is no longer business as usual. This is a government that is financially prudent. Is handling things for the greatest efficiency.
Now, to ride on the back of this kind of this, to ride on the back of, say, you want to be transparent and the rest of that one. So maybe we'll go live and say by tomorrow now, or Monday, government will go check how many people for Department of Mathematics to check whether they reach 100.
Government don't need to go check all that thing.
Okay.
They get management board. They get to explain to government why are you owing 11 months. I don't see how government where don't clear almost 4 billion where he inherits. Because they say government say, because when he structured like he talked just I say governor comes say he go clear. You do 100%. That to them was satisfactory and acceptable. But now of the movement there are 3 or 4 other campuses of College of Education across the state where government prepare to absorb College of Education. But because of some of them don't entrench for Benin, they don't get businesses. They make money from other sources. Right. So it is in their interest to frustrate government on that because now if they can't go back to full because the laziness already comes say to go work for Kiadolo. Do you understand what I'm saying? That laziness already come now. Their interest now to collect money where they collect money from. Frustrating. Not all of them. Not all of them are they do most. I know some where they do. Okay. You know, and so
at the right time, we'll call you call their names for
you call their names.
And the rest.
You call their names.
How do they come out now? In this area, this now, just make talk and
yeah, I will talk about
how what you feel say be the way out of this wahala on the foreground.
No, what if we make us come street? That we don't say by the time we reach the governor
Government
table.
house, right.
Maybe governor come call us, maybe we come sit down. Not be that way they talk here, like they do PRO.
They need to blackmail our
No,
governor.
we are not blackmailing
We don't pause
anybody.
that.
At least you know you talk. When they talk, I don't interrupt
You know
you.
the question for us,
Wait,
ask
sir.
me, because the don't talk and I say government know the old.
Governor dey hold us.
Okay.
Now because even when they talk, you go dey interrupt me. I dey leave am make they talk.
Okay.
I don't want make we come dey talk. Na television I be.
see.
We dey listen to each other.
That's true.
Even when we dey argue, no matter how temper go high reach, we go still listen to each other because we go still discuss and solve am.
Okay.
One, when wetin dey talk, dey nobody say e no fit go anywhere. That one wey dey say the lecture the people come too lazy, that na insult now.
No, that's not what I mean.
They say the people have become so lazy,
That's not what I
they
mean.
get some
What I mean
other things wey they do, na make they no wan go. That na insulting.
Okay.
Because if you feel say the people dey wey dey collect anything, mention their names.
Okay. No problem. We don't
No,
pass
before
that.
you
After
do-
I just say we go mention the
The
name at the
government,
appropriate time.
that one at first. Government, if you say no transparency, who put the management? Na government. Government fit own management say money wey I give now na take spend am. They fit ask them. Because as far as we are concerned, na government na be our employer.
Okay.
The management wey dey there na government na appoint them.
Then to run.
Nobody, no be me appoint management.
Okay.
Me no even-
So if you want anchor now, you take anchor.
If I want to come, make government give us our money. They owe us. They are owing us 11 months.
Okay.
They are also owing our pensioners 11 months.
Okay. So the wahala still there for ground.
They should pay us.
The I go agree and no go agree now. We say we still they owe us 11 months. We know they owe na 11 months. Now be waiting the matter. We say they follow there for College of Education for the law, the federal College of Education for the law, or the Thai Akpata University of College of Education for the law. So we pray say as they said the next time we say we will come for this matter. They don't settle the matter. And I see I'm say yes, say the governor when we say we get now person when we say they listen. But one thing we say the difference between listening and taking action. May you listen, may you take action for this matter. And as, according to Chris Nekari, action already take. Abi, thank you so much when you come for our program. And I thank you when you say you come. We will take some more break now. We'll come back, continue for where we say we stop. Don't go anywhere. Name of the program, Good Morning from Benin, the issue from Independent Television for Benin. Stay with us.